and followed by the numbers 05 to 55. Hi everyone, welcome back to Frugal Watchbox channel. Today we will be comparing two of Casio's budget quartz dress watches. The MTP-VD02L 7E priced at $22 or MYR 100 and the MTP-V006L 7C at $13 or MYR 63. One with a white dial and the other silver. This is the MTP-VD02L with the white dial, and this one is the MTP-V006L with the sparkling silver dial. Let's start with the MTP-VD02L first. The case size of the MTP-VD02L is 41 millimeters. The lug distance is about 48 millimeters. Thickness of about 9.6 millimeters. Lug size of about 22 millimeters. And weight at 55 grams. Let's look at this attractive white dial. First is the distinctive inverted black triangle on top, and followed by the numbers 05 to 55, an increment of 5 minutes. The baton-style hour markers are white with black borders and double on the 12 o'clock mark. The hour and minute hands are sword-shaped and luminescent. The second hand is particularly amazing with a red accent. The Casio and WR logo are just below the 12 o'clock position. At the extreme bottom are the Japan movement imprints. Above the 6 o'clock position is a small date display. It has an ensigned, rather large crown. The case is polished and is ion-plated. The case feels and looks robust enough for daily use. The bezel is also polished and ion-plated as well. Next is the brown faux leather band. Looks and feels like real leather, stitched well and comfortable to wear. The stainless steel buckle has no Casio logo, sadly. The stainless steel caseback is snap-on type, with all the necessary information such as module and model numbers, Casio and WR, stainless steel imprints. Next, we move on to the MTP-V006L. The case size is 38 millimeters, 3 millimeters smaller than the MTP-VD02L. Lug-to-lug distance of 45.1 millimeters. Thickness of about 9.4 millimeters. Lug size of about 20 millimeters. And weight of about 46 grams. This watch is definitely smaller than the MTP-VD02L. Both of these watches are water-resistant for 30 meters. Similar to the MTP-VD02L, the crystal is made of mineral glass. Next, we will discuss the dial. The hour markers are baton-style similar to the MTP-VD02L but thinner. The dial is sparkling silver in color. In the inner dial are numbers from 13 to 24 inside a marked circle. The Casio logo is just below the 12 o'clock mark. Water resist imprint just above the 6 o'clock mark and the Japan movement at the extreme bottom. The day and date display is at the normal 3 o'clock position. The sword type hour and minute hands are silver, and the second hand has a red accented mark. The case and bezel are polished ion-plated. The crown is ensigned and is smaller than the MTP-VD02L. The crocodile skin-style faux leather is rather interesting and seems to be robust in feels and looks. Unfortunately, similar to the MTP-VD02L, the buckle has no Casio logo. The caseback is stainless steel, snap-on type, and has the imprints of the module and model numbers, water-resistant, Casio logo, and stainless steel back. Here is the comparison of the two types of faux leather. I think the crocodile style is much more appealing. In terms of loom, the MTP-VD02L wins the day with prominent loom on the hour and minute hands only. Sadly, the MTP-V006L has no loom at all. Let us try the smaller 38mm MTP-VD06 on my tiny 6.5-inch wrist. Not bad at all, just nice. Next, let's try the larger 41mm MTP-VD02L. Well, a bit larger but not too extremely protruding. So guys, what is your pick? The smaller MTP-V006 or the larger MTP-VD02L? That wraps up the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you think the video is useful, please do subscribe and hit that like button. Bye for now and see you again in the next video.